Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Kane's Auto in Manchester, New Hampshire, we have this 2014 BMW 550i. This is the xDrive, made it with the 4.4 liter V8 to the automatic. Really nice spec on this example. It is way too hot to go fully around the vehicle. Oh, come here. Nice AC. I think it does. Yep, soft closed doors. Alright, try to keep these out of the way of the camera. Normally, I try to have the vents on their lowest setting. It is just too hot to sit here without the vents on. Very nice interior. All right, we are in drive. Let's go ahead, head out on the road. Now this is not the M550i. This is just a normal 550 with a couple M Sport upgrades. Also, I'm going to be driving it in the Sport Plus setting. You have a bunch of different modes: Comfort, Eco, Pro, Sport, and Sport Plus. Sport Plus is the most fun, and I'll be honest here, fun is fun. So so much torque. Wow, okay. So much torque. And then, once you're on the highway, you cruise. This is an Autobahn cruiser. I mean, you can just sit here. I could sit here all day. Sit on the highway, do hundreds, if not thousands of miles behind the wheel of this. It's so comfortable. I think this is my first time driving this generation of 5 Series. I've driven the new one. I don't think I've driven this gen. Temperature is saying 96 degrees out now. Oh, it's a heat wave, man. I love the gauges too. They're so easy to read while being extremely elegant to look at. That's something not a lot of manufacturers do right. BMW did it right on this car. I can sit here and read them very well, but I also love looking at them. They just look great. Wow. Overall, man, this is a great car. Great option if somebody's looking for... You can get this for the price of a brand new Camry. I know which way I'd go. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.